Hello, Anastsia with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So, I got a package in the mail, and it's from where someone had a giveaway a few Mondays ago. So, they taped it really good. Well, you know, nowadays with the post office, you know, that's why I'm so glad we have informed delivery, so that we can keep a track on what has been sent. So, here we go. We have a box inside of a box. We have a nice card in here that says Nancy. Let's see. Oh, look at this. That's pretty. Congratulations on your win. Hope you enjoy your mug of coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. Thanks for supporting our channel, BFF. So if you don't know what BFF stands for, that is Butler Family Farm. Susan and Jerry. I got a mug. I got a mug. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. And I like the red. That's pretty cool. So, I've been wanting to order a mug for our channel. So, you just never know. It might show up. So, thank you so much, Susan and Jerry. I really appreciate that. You know, it's always fun to win something. You know, you may not win the main prize, but you know, it's the little things that count. Because I can have a cup of coffee with them tomorrow. There we go. So, thank y'all so much for watching. I will put their link down to their channel down below and everything. Loads of information and stuff to help you out on the farm. So, thank y'all for watching. God bless, stay safe, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.